The biggest question around the new DJI Avata 360 has finally been answered, and surprisingly, it's not as expensive as many people feared. For weeks, the drone community had been watching teasers and leaks, wondering if DJI's first 360-degree FPV drone would come with a massive price tag. A 360 drone with an 8K camera sounded like something that could easily cost thousands. But now, the official European pricing has leaked, and the numbers are turning heads across the drone world. The full price list appeared just one day after DJI released its official teaser. A major European retailer accidentally published the product page early, revealing the entire pricing structure for the drone and its accessories. Luckily, several subscribers captured screenshots before the page was taken down. The leak was first shared by well-known tech reporter Jasper Allen on Twitter, which helped confirm that the pricing looked authentic. According to the leaked listing, the standalone DJI Avata 360 drone will cost €459 in Europe. That is far lower than many people expected for a brand new 360 FPV drone. When converted to US dollars using the current exchange rate, the standalone drone comes to roughly $533, while the Fly More combo lands around $1,089. When compared to competing products, the pricing becomes even more interesting. The new Antigravity A1, which launched in late 2025 as an 8K 360-degree drone, starts around $1,599 for its basic bundle. That means the DJI Avata 360 undercuts it by more than $1,000 while still offering a similar immersive 360 FPV experience. Even extra accessories show a major price gap. Additional batteries for the Antigravity A1 can reach $150, while DJI's battery sits closer to $92 after conversion. In March 2026, the price comparison for the DJI Avata 360 shows why many people are calling it a major breakthrough in the drone market. Using the current conversion rate of about €1 to 1.16 US dollars, the DJI Avata 360 drone alone cost €459, which is about $533. This is dramatically cheaper than the Antigravity A1 standard bundle, priced at $1,599, even though the Avata 360 includes advanced features like 8K recording and replaceable lenses. The Fly More combo with the RC2 controller costs €939, or around $1,089, and includes the drone, extra batteries, and a charger, offering strong value compared to many current drones. The premium combo is priced at €1,159, roughly $1,344, which is still cheaper than the Antigravity A1 Explorer bundle. Accessories are also affordable, with batteries around $92, replacement lenses about $24, and propellers only around $10, making the Avata 360 a very competitive option overall. Another major difference is flexibility. The Antigravity A1 is designed strictly as a 360 video drone, but the DJI Avata 360 appears to offer something more versatile. One leaked feature suggests that the drone will include a normal mode option. This means pilots will be able to switch from full FPV flying to a more traditional drone flight style, similar to what you get with the DJI Neo or the DJI Mini series. For beginners or casual users, this could make the drone much easier to control while still allowing advanced pilots to enjoy the immersive FPV experience. The camera system also introduces a major innovation. The DJI Avata 360 is expected to feature a new 8K camera module with interchangeable lenses. Instead of sending the entire drone for repair after scratching a lens, users will be able to replace the lens themselves using the €21 replacement kit. Close-up images from the leak show the lens sitting behind a stronger protective cover, suggesting it may be far more crash-resistant than earlier Avata models. Finally, the release timeline is now clear. DJI plans to launch the drone in China and Asia on March 26, 2026, while the global release will follow on April 9, 2026. That means the company is running a 16-day teaser campaign, one of the longest pre-launch marketing periods DJI has used in recent years. With reviewers already preparing early flight footage, the internet will likely be flooded with real-world tests before the global launch date arrives. If these leaked prices are accurate, the DJI Avata 360 may not only introduce a new style of FPV flying, it could also redefine what people expect to pay for a powerful 360-degree drone. Let's talk about some pros and cons side of Antigravity A1. The Antigravity A1 is introduced as the world's first true 360-degree drone. Instead of pointing a single camera in one direction, it captures everything around it. This production model has already been tested for several weeks to evaluate its real-world performance. The drone is available in multiple bundles, including the Infinity Bundle for users who want the complete package. Starting with the unboxing experience, the drone comes with a shoulder carrying bag that makes it easier to transport during travel. There is also an additional protective case designed specifically for the drone to keep it safe while moving from one location to another. The drone itself features a foldable and compact design. This makes it easy to store and carry without taking up much space. Even with its advanced camera system, the drone weighs under 249 grams, which is important because it helps avoid stricter drone regulations in many regions. Despite the lightweight body, it can still handle wind speeds up to 10.7 meters per second, which falls into level 5 wind resistance. For safety, the drone includes obstacle sensors on the front as well as additional sensors on the bottom. When the system detects an obstacle, the drone can automatically brake to prevent a collision. However, it will stop instead of navigating around the object. The camera system is the highlight of the Antigravity A1. It uses two 360-degree cameras positioned on the top and bottom of the drone. This design allows the drone itself to disappear from the final footage, creating a floating camera effect. The drone can record 8K 360-degree video at 30 frames per second, which provides extremely detailed footage. It also supports 4K slow-motion recording at 100 frames per second for smoother action shots. The cameras use a relatively large 1/1.28-inch sensor, which helps capture more detail and better colors. Image quality includes strong color saturation and good dynamic range. There is no flat color profile for advanced color grading, but users still get manual controls such as shutter speed and ISO adjustments. The maximum ISO is 6400, although footage in very dark conditions may introduce some noise. To protect the camera lenses, the drone uses deployable landing legs that keep the lower camera away from the ground when landing. The lenses themselves are also replaceable, and a repair kit is available if they become scratched. The drone includes useful lighting as well. A front status light shows the drone's condition, with green indicating normal operation and red warning of a low battery. There is also an auxiliary light on the bottom that helps with night flying. For storage, the drone includes 20 gigabytes of internal memory along with a memory card slot for additional storage. Charging and data transfer are handled through a USB-C port. Battery performance depends on which battery you use. The standard battery provides around 20 to 22 minutes of flight time. A larger, high-capacity battery can extend that up to 39 minutes. The multi-battery charger can charge 3 batteries at once and includes a display showing each battery's percentage. The system also includes FPV vision goggles weighing about 340 grams. These goggles have a separate battery worn around the neck, offering about 2.5 hours of runtime. Inside the goggles are dual 1-inch micro OLED displays that provide a clear and immersive view. They also include adjustable diopter settings for vision correction and an anti-fog system. The transmission range reaches up to 10 kilometers under FCC conditions and around 6 kilometers under CE regulations. The goggles even include a small front display that allows people nearby to see what the pilot is viewing. Control is handled through a motion controller. Pulling the trigger moves the drone forward, and there are 2 flight modes, free motion and FPV mode. The controller also includes buttons for takeoff, recording, emergency braking, and different speed levels, including a fast sport mode that reaches 16 meters per second. The biggest advantage of a 360-degree drone is flexibility. Pilots can look in any direction while flying because the drone's movement and viewing direction are separate. This allows creators to fly first and frame later, meaning they can adjust the camera angle during editing instead of worrying about perfect framing in the air. The drone also includes smart features like Deep Track for tracking people or vehicles, Sky Genie for automated cinematic movements, and SkyPath for waypoint flights. Safety features such as Return to Home activate automatically if the signal is lost or the battery becomes low. In addition to standard video recording, the drone supports slow-motion video and a 55-megapixel photo mode that saves images in JPEG format. All these features together make the Antigravity A1 a unique step forward in drone technology, especially for creators who want maximum flexibility when capturing aerial footage.